Dito po tayo sa Boss Pares Lugawan at Boracay, the first ice cream donut sundae in the Philippines. Dito sa Sampaguita Street sa Mapayapa Village 2. Yan po yung Mapayapa Village 2, Sampaguita Street. Ito yung mga milkshake nila, iced coffee, fruit tea, burger, egg sandwich, Hungarian sausage, footlong, overload burger, at ang 7 days a week promo. Ito yung burger overload, buy one get one free, footlong, at crispy lechon sisig. Dito po ang mga Republic Ballers. Katatapos lang ng panalo. The best moment is yet to come.